Hey guys, welcome to Anna's Tech Videos. Today I'll be showing you how to purchase stocks on Webull before and after market closes. So regular stock market hours are between 9:30 a.m. till 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but you can purchase stocks on Webull from 4 a.m. till 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you get a notification each time we upload a video. If you don't have Webull account yet, join using the link in the description below and get your 2 free stocks worth up to $1,600 by depositing $100 into your account within 30 days. This video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. Do your own due diligence before you purchase any stocks. With that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and open your app up and then pull up the stock that you want to purchase. Let's say I want to purchase the Apple stock. So I have the Apple stock open in front of me. At the bottom left corner of the screen, you'll see the trade button and you will click on trade. Once you click on trade, it will take you to next screen. On this screen, you'll see an option to buy, sell, or short. Make sure buy is highlighted and then click on the where the price is, and you can change the price by either going plus or minus, or change it by clicking on the price. Let's say I want to purchase the price at $130. I will go ahead and raise and I'll go 130, and then I will go ahead and click on quantity at the bottom. And once you click on quantity, you can actually go 1, 2, or 3 by clicking the plus or minus, and that's how many stocks you will be purchasing. Once you've done that, let's say I want to purchase one stock at $130, you will go ahead and click on trade, and then you can do trade day or GTC. GTC is good till canceled, and then you can either pick day or GTC. Just pick day. I will pick day for now just to show you, and then you'll see extended hours at the bottom of that. Click yes, and once you have that clicked, you'll go ahead and click on the buy button at the bottom left, and once you click on buy, it will go ahead and put that limit order in for you. So let's go ahead and purchase another one using GTC, and I'll go ahead and do the same thing, 130, and then I'll go quantity 1, and then once you have that, click on day and then pick GTC and make sure extended hours is checked, and then hit buy. And once you click buy, it will place another limit order for you to purchase that stock using GTC. You can see your open orders by clicking on the open order button tab right next to buy. So click on open orders and you will see your open orders. You can cancel or modify your order by clicking on the order itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on the open order and then you'll see modify or cancel order, and go ahead and click on cancel order. So once you click on the cancel order, it'll take you to this screen, and then say yes, I want to cancel that order, and it will go ahead and send you a notification once the cancellation is done. Exit out of there by clicking the back button and then click on open orders again. Then you'll see that your order has been canceled, and you want to cancel the second one, do the same exact thing, and you can go ahead and cancel that order as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and get your free stocks by clicking on the link in the description below. And thanks a lot for watching, guys.